If you're dealing with pain that just won't go away, this is definitely for you. Maybe it started with an injury, or maybe it crept in slowly over time, but now it's affecting how you move, how you work, and how you feel every single day. If traditional treatments haven't worked, or you're tired of masking the pain with medication, I just want you to know there's another option. One that's fast, it's non-invasive, and it's proven to accelerate healing where your body needs it most. It's called Shockwave Therapy, and it's also known as EPAT. So this technology is fascinating, and it was actually designed 30 years ago in Europe and was used for the purpose of using this acoustic wave on the back of patients right over the kidney for the purpose of breaking up kidney stones. Not only was it extremely effective at breaking up kidney stones into smaller parts so that people could pass them more easily, but what they found was these patients who had chronic kidney disease actually saw regeneration of the kidney tissue, and that's when the developers of this technology realized, wait a minute, we're on to something more than just using sound to break up kidney stones. What they saw was that the sound wave was actually stimulating lots of growth factors in the tissue, causing new blood supply, even new blood vessel development that's called angiogenesis. When you get new blood supplied to an area, it increases the metabolism of the tissue because now the blood is able to bring in all the nutrients needed for healing that previously weren't there due to chronic injury. This technology also increased stem cell activity in the area. And it's just been amazingly effective for especially chronically damaged joints. We have multiple patients who have been in need for maybe hip replacement surgery, but the doctor didn't want to do the surgery because they were so young that if they went in for hip replacement now, the chances were they were going to need it again in the future. So they're telling them, hey, you need to wait this out another 10 years. Well, if you're in chronic pain and your hips are really degenerative, that's the last thing you want to hear because you're already struggling. At Align Chiropractic, we use it to help people just like you heal and recover and really move freely again. Shockwave therapy uses high-energy acoustic waves to stimulate your body's natural healing process. It targets the source of the pain and not just the symptoms, and it works on a cellular level to repair damaged tissue and break down scar tissue to restore mobility. You may be thinking this sounds like science fiction, but it's very real and it's backed by years of clinical research. We've seen incredible results in our patients with conditions like plantar fasciitis, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, rotator cuff injuries, frozen shoulder, carpal tunnel, trigger finger, hip and knee pain, disc injuries, spinal pain, arthritis-related joint dysfunction, and many more. So if you've tried stretches and ice packs and rest or even injections without success, Shockwave therapy could be the solution that finally works. Here's how it helps your body heal. It accelerates tissue repair by increasing blood flow and stimulating the release of nitric oxide and other growth factors. It breaks down scar tissue, which often builds up after chronic injury or overuse, reducing stiffness and improving movement. It reduces inflammation, it modulates pain signals, and promotes the release of a chemical called substance P, a powerful neurotransmitter that helps to block pain right at its source. Now, it even stimulates stem cell activity, boosting your body's ability to regenerate and repair itself naturally. And unlike many treatments, it doesn't just feel good in the moment, it actually changes the environment of the injured tissue so that it can heal long term. Sessions are really fast, they're just 15 to 20 minutes. There's no surgery, no downtime, no medication. Most patients say it feels like a vibration or maybe like a dull toothache, and they walk out feeling relief. We did this treatment twice on a gentleman's hip, and next thing you know, he's walking without pain. After 6 treatments, he starts to actually feel like he's feeling regeneration within that tissue, and that's exactly what's happening usually by that phase. Our recommendation for this type of care is usually within 2 to 6 treatments, people see amazing results. At Align Chiropractic, we often pair shockwave therapy with corrective chiropractic care and customized rehab to deliver the most effective results possible. Because pain relief is great, but lasting healing is the goal. If you've been told to just live with it, or you've been stuck in a cycle of pain and frustration, we want you to know that there is another way. You don't have to settle for discomfort, and you don't have to accept limited mobility as your new normal. Give us a call to schedule your Shockwave therapy consultation today. Our trained Shockwave technician will be happy to answer any questions that you have and help get you started. This simple, non-invasive treatment could be the breakthrough your body's been waiting for. Give us a call today.